Hi everyone, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video we'll be talking about Amazon product research, which is for the UK for version 2.5 of our Chrome extension. You can expect it to be in that. Take a look out for it because you'll be able to research Amazon like a pro if you live in the UK. So before you could always just save the items, but now we have research. So the way to research items is clicking on the extension, then clicking on research, then selecting your criteria here. Now we can just click search and it will start searching. There's also another way to search now where you just have the run Fbmfox research button. But anyways, let's click on search and it'll start doing the magic for you. So I wanted listings on surfboards that were only with one competitor, meaning only one person is selling them on Amazon. And you know, we've got some numbers here. This one looks pretty good. Looks like a value product with so many add-ons. So of course you could list these. So you could save the seller or research the seller. So let's click on research seller, and okay, this person has only 2 items. You could quickly run research here and it'll take the same criteria as you previously set here. So you know, let's say I want to save the seller, so I'll save it as surfboards Amazon and click save seller, and then over here you'll see that in your research tab you should see right here, this person is selling surfboards on Amazon, right? And you could click that and then click visit seller for next time if you'd ever like to research them again. It goes right into your extension, and if we refresh this page, you can see that now we have the seller saved with the tag that we gave it, and we can save this to Fbmfox and we can list it later, or we could list it now. But for the sake of this video, I just wanted to demonstrate only product research for Amazon.co.uk, which is the UK market. So if you guys are from that market, feel free to give Fbmfox a trial. Once again, we have quite a few suppliers from the UK. We've got Tesco, Amazon, and Argos for the UK. So those are 3 great suppliers that you can list from immediately, and we can keep adding more if you guys send us requests. So let us know. All right, thanks so much.